Tour, day 4, the last day in Ipswich. It is sold out. I am absolutely buzzing. Last night in Nottingham was a blast. It was so much fun. Really nice crowd. The venue was wicked. The sound was good. We really got into it. Yeah, I liked it a lot. Last night was sold out. Tonight is sold out, so it's a great way to end this run off. Last day of tour. We're sold out, baby. Let's go. And there's the poster on the wall for the show. The Smokehouse, Ipswich. Let's get it! All set, waiting to sound check now. Bam, here we go.
Announce it tonight.
Sound check's all done. Sounded sick. Cannot wait to play. We're just buzzing. I'm just gonna warm up backstage, side stage even, real quick whilst we wait. And then showtime. It's sold out. I can't wait. Let's go. Backstage warm-ups. Good stuff here. We're getting warm. This warm-up that I've been doing, just to warm it up when it's so cold in winter doing these.
Most of them aren't. Hello, 1, 2. Yeah, check. 1, 2.
This new Paramore song, love it. What's up, bro? Oh, my bad.
That's alright. You can have it back in a second if it's the right height.
Thank you, dude. We're here backstage. What's up, Harley?
Hello.
How's it sounding your end?
Wonderful.
Beautiful. So we know when to go on. Ipswich. Yes, sold out show. That was absolutely so good. I'm absolutely buzzing now. Hopefully I can sleep tonight. Sad tour's over, but the best time. Hope you enjoyed these videos. I'm gonna do some more. So keep watching. Right? How are we getting on, Mr. Callaghan? We are all done. I'm tired. I just want to sit here for a little bit. But we're going home. Tour's been sick. I'm home from tour now. Had the best time. Playing shows every night is, oh, there's nothing like it. The one thing now that's gonna mark the end of tour is my laminate comes off. So this is tour's over now. This goes in a little box of all my other laminates and stuff that I've had over the years of touring, playing shows, etc. Hope you've enjoyed these videos, these diaries. I've had a lot of fun making them and putting them together, and yeah, there'll be some more stuff coming soon, so take care. Bye bye.